Hello, my name is Yasmin. I am a certified floral designer with a passion for working with flowers. I have channeled my passion into the world of silk flowers. Why silk? Because they're resilient and the blooms last so much longer. My business, Faux Florals by Yasmin, celebrates the endurance and beauty of these flowers. Today I'm happy to share a tutorial with you on how I make this beautiful Halloween wreath. Let's get started. For this wreath, I'm going to be using an 18-inch black glitter grapevine wreath. You're going to need some wire cutters, and you're going to need some wire, pretty thick wire, 18 gauge is what I'm using here. And you're going to need a glue gun. Mine's really messy. These are assorted succulents. You're going to need a lot more than that though. And I'm going to be using, or see how I can use these cat ornaments in the wreath. Every time I make a wreath, I start off first by attaching a hanger. Here I'm using a thicker wire than other places use to create a sturdy hanger. This is an 18 gauge wire. I'm using a needle nose plier to pull the wire through the wreath and loop it around to make a hanger. If you want to know how to put a hanger on a wreath in more detail, I have another video that you can watch that shows it in slower motion and better detail. Next, I take the cat ornaments and I just wire them just to get them ready. I'm still not sure how I'm going to use them in the wreath, but I'm just going to get them ready. This is a thinner regular wire, not the thick one. Begin by taking a succulent and trimming down the stem with the wire cutter. Then glue the stem and insert it into the wreath. I've noticed that working with glitter wreaths is really challenging because they don't have as much give as a regular grapevine wreath. So you might need to apply a lot of pressure. Continue on experimenting with your variety and see where you'd like to position them before you glue them in. Here I've decided to incorporate one of the black cat ornaments. Instead of making them the focal point of the wreath, I want them to serve as hidden surprises. My goal is to highlight the beauty of the succulents as the main focus. You'll see me using this machine here. It's a steel pick stemming machine. It's a tool used in floral designs to securely attach steel picks to the stems of artificial or dried flowers, or fresh flowers sometimes. It gives stability to the stem. I continue applying all of my succulents as well as adding 2 more cats to the design. As I finish all around, I feel like I want to add something more to this wreath to make it look really elegant. I have these really cool looking Halloween leaves in hues of black and purple that I think would look really nice. It's a garland, so I have to cut them into stems. After I cut them into stems, I use my steel picks machine to strengthen the stems. This takes a while to do. After that, I start to add them to the design. And here's the finished wreath. It's not intended to be a spooky Halloween wreath, more like an elegant Halloween wreath. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to visit my website to explore some more of my fall decorative items.